Have you heard of this video?
Hips, lips, eyes, thighs, sup,
You've seen that song. Let's try to understand the namespace with a very simple example. Imagine namespace. Imagine you see a beautiful girl. You notice her lips, her cheeks, her eyes, her hands, and her legs. Each part can be looked at separately, yet they all are the part of the single person. In the same way, the namespace is also a logical separation inside the Kubernetes cluster. Everything is a part of the same cluster but logically divided into different namespace. If it is feel tricky, let's take a simpler think about your trouser. You have two pockets. Don't think too much. The left pocket is one namespace and right pocket is another. Both pockets belongs to the same trouser but they do not interfere with each other. Namespace in a Kubernetes work like the same. In one namespace, you can keep your pod services and resources. In another namespace, you can keep completely different set of pods and services. They all are a part of same cluster, but logically separated. Means you can say a namespace is an abstraction. Or visualize as an abstraction. So pods in the one namespace can still communicate with the pods in the another namespace if you configure them to do so. And remember, some cluster-wide resources like API, kubectl, API, resource, grep pods. So this is the namespace. So whenever this is false, means if you service. So here API services is a false. So this is namespace independent. So it is a cluster wide. So pods in one namespace can still communicate with the pods in another namespace if you configure them to do so. And remember, some cluster-wide resource like nodes do not belong to any namespace. So I'll grep nodes. So you will say means find that it's a false. So these are the cluster-wide resources. So we'll look this means we'll have this namespace most of the time. So it is better to have a little bit idea of it. So simply put, namespace gives a way to organize, isolate, and manage your resources inside the single cluster, just like pocket in your trouser, or just like imagination or feature of a person. Everything is connected, but the section is still a boundary. So I'll press Control L, and there is kubectl key if I'll key git ns. So you'll find that the default namespace kube node lease, kube public, kube system, and kube path storage. So you can key get namespace. You can create namespace key create ns with the name Neokloud. So namespace can be created. So you can create a pod key run pod image equal to nginx and hyphen ns equal to neo namespace equal to Neokloud. So now you can get pods. You won't find this pod, but if you provide the namespace, then you will able to find that pod. So you can see it is the boundaries, and if I'll want to see, then I'll press a capital. So you'll find the all namespace things. Here you will find the Neokloud also. So that's way. This is a little tricky topic, but we'll have little more example of it. So thank you for your love and support.